Right, let's have a little look at how the web access works in HRS Connect. First we'll find a company. So you've got Recruitment Force here and we've got a couple of contacts. All you need to do is click on the web access button and you'll notice an icon appear next to each contact within that company. Clicking on that icon will allow you to create a web login. Simply choose the email which you'd like to use for that contact and an email will be generated within Connect. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll just copy and paste this URL into my browser and show you what the contact will see once he clicks on that link having received the email. All they need to do is create a password, confirm it, and click on the login to get access to that portal. Saving the URL, obviously the password to that URL is quite useful, but the client will see a list of jobs that are open and available to them as a client. So these are just jobs that are completely and totally related to that client. Clicking on the arrow will obviously open up the information relating to that job, and going back from the navigation bar will allow him to or her to scroll through those records and view the progress within each job. So as you can see, we've got some job activity information there where we've had an interview, CV sends and so forth against that job. Now there are a couple of other things that the client can do. Firstly, they can filter. So you can filter for certain information that's relating to any of those jobs, and you'll see that it's instant. As soon as you start typing, that filter will be activated. And they can also search, so if they had some jobs that have been closed, for example, with some information you can't actually see in that filter, you can also search and that information will be presented instantly to you. Another thing they can do is create a job. So from this web portal they can create a job that will be tagged directly to the consultant that they are working with. Here we simply have to choose a job title, start and end date. Not every single field is compulsory, but obviously the more information they put in here the better. You can also tag it to the consultant that they are working with, and that consultant will get a notification, as you'll see in a minute. So the more information that's put in there the better for the consultant, for obvious reasons. So I'll put in some text here and we'll show you that you can also fill in the benefits, education, qualifications, training. Each one of these fields are all editable, and once you've completed that, all you need to do is click Create Job, and you will notice that that is now in one of your open jobs lists right there. So the consultant will see this, but the client is also getting access to that information. So back in Connect, all we need to do is go back to our job list, and what I'll do is quickly show you that there's an alert against that consultant. So basically a job has been created and an alert has been presented to that consultant, and you'll see it's the same summary information that was on the job. So this information is instant, the alert is instant, and the consultant has that information presented to them literally the second it happens. Another thing you can do from the admin section, as you can see here, is you can design the styling of that web portal depending on your company colors. So for example, I've chosen some strange colors there just to show you how dynamic it is and how instant it is. You can change the styling of that instantly by choosing some of these colors from the drop down or pasting in a hexadecimal code. Clearing those will set the default, which is what we have here, and it's as simple as that.